Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do another of my favorite DIY project. Earlier last month, I saw this post from the local app. Someone wanted to give away the old dining table for free pickup. I checked the owner's zip code and it was only 10 minutes away from where I live. So I contacted the owner and went to pick it up. The table was too big for my car, so we had to disassemble the whole thing on the street before we could take it back home. Although there's lots of wear and tear, but nothing is badly damaged. So I decided to make a console table out of these two legs and a couple of other projects for the top. In today's and my next videos, we are going to give this trashed, unwanted dining table a completely new life. So let's get started. The first thing I did was to separate all the chunky bottom parts. I don't want them as they are just too big and chunky and ugly. It's always very easy if you choose the right tools to do so. I was pretty much sure I needed to unscrew all the nails. If they were attached with some kind of adhesive, then you have to use chisel and hammer to separate the wood parts, and that's exactly what I did. I then used the wood filler, patched all the cracks and holes with just my finger, and gave it light sanding after they were dry to smooth the surface up. I bought this TSP heavy-duty cleaner from Lowe's. You just need to follow the instructions, mix it with the warm water, and it will take off all the buildup and the residue from the furniture before painting. I'll link all the products I'm using for this project in the description box below in case anyone is interested. This is Annie Sloan chalk paint. I use it for my bathroom vanity makeover. For that, I'll show you in the video of the entire bathroom renovation. Hopefully it will be posted very soon. Anyway, I do have a little bit left over, just enough to get these pieces painted. The color I'm using is called graphite. It's kind of a dark gray or charcoal color, which turned out to be very pretty on my vanity. The lady in the paint shop suggested I use Annie Sloan's paintbrush, but it was just a bit pricey for me, so I found this similar item from Amazon for much less. I did 2 coats and this is how it looks after that. If you like the rustic look, then you can use the clear wax or poly to seal the color. I only have Annie Sloan black wax on hand, also leftovers from my bathroom makeover. I like the results on that, so I'm just going to put this on. You can use the paintbrush to apply, or shop towels, also good choice. After 1 coat, you can tell the difference between these two. The wax gave it a very high-end, expensive look, and also very graceful, I must say. Now for the top and bottom parts, I went to Home Depot and picked up a piece of pine wood. It's 8 feet long, 2 by 10 inch for around $14. The staff was nice enough to cut it for me. I got it cut in 2 equal pieces, 4 feet for each. I then bought another piece of 2 by 4 and the staff cut out 4 pieces for me, 6 inches each. Came back home, I used the 80 grit sandpaper first and then 220 grit to sand down all the wood pieces I got from Home Depot. I used the Minwax wood stain to stain the 2 longer pieces. This time I want a darker color with a bit of a warm tone in it, so I used a combination of 2 colors. I added some dark walnut into early American, and it turned out to be a very good decision. For the short 4 pieces, I'm planning to put 2 as the table foot and 2 underneath the top to add some height. When I do a project like this, I always use tapes to help me get the correct position so I can glue and secure them together. I also pre-drilled the wood, that way it makes it easier when you screw all the nails in. And for all these little pieces, I painted them the same color with the table legs, and then applied the 2 coats of polyacrylic to protect the color. I did need some help to flip this whole thing over, as the legs were very heavy and the glue just wasn't strong enough to carry the weight. One person had to hold them when they were in the air. Now, we need to screw the nails into the 2 legs so they can be secured to the bottom board. I've already made the measurements, so I knew exactly where to drill the nails. I flipped it over again, and this time I didn't need any help. Now, we need to add these 2 pieces and put them in between legs and the top board. Once you put them all together, you're done. Guys, this is how it turned out, and this is the reason why I enjoy doing these kind of projects. With a little effort turning something unwanted beautiful again, it's always great fun. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you do, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future DIY projects. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next week.